Today we are learning about how to create a rejection in Voucher. You just go and open your Tally program. You wait for it to load. You double click on select company. You double click on the company from the list. From the gateway, the Tally gateway, you just double click on accounting vouchers. Okay, here to get the rejection in Voucher, you press Ctrl together with F6. Okay, here where we had initially created a sales order for a certain customer. Okay, this was Eric. Okay, but Eric want like don't want to get some items from what we had quoted for him. Actually, we had quoted 3 pieces, but for now he needs only 2. So we're going to reject 1 because he needs 2. Just press enter, enter, enter. We don't put any price on it. Press enter, enter, enter. That is how we create a rejection in Voucher. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit a notification button so that whenever I upload any video, you'll be able to see it faster. Thank you. Bye bye.